What's going on, y'all? Check it out. I know you seen the thumbnail, so you know what we doing. We finna make some zucchini chip appetizers. And they gonna be so tasty. So let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So first thing we gonna do, we gonna get out our mandolin. And we just gonna put it on that number one setting. And go ahead and mandolin our zucchini, y'all. Of course we cut the bottom off before we start running it through this mandolin. Now if you don't have a mandolin, you can cut this with a knife. Just try to get it as thin as you can possibly get it. So next step, we're gonna rain on it with some salt. And we want to salt this really good. Make sure we get everything. We want to try to get as much water out of this zucchini as we can. That's what that's salt for, y'all. That's what that's salt for. And of course, we want to make sure that we got all this zucchini covered. And make sure before you leave this alone that the zucchini ain't sticking to each other. I mean, you're going to get something that's going to stick to each other, but try to make sure that the ones you see aren't stuck. So while we waiting on the salt to do its thing, we going to go ahead and make our dip, y'all. So we starting off with 2 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. So next, let's grab our sour cream. And we're going to do the exact same thing with it, y'all. Equal parts. So you know, if you make this at home, just realize sour cream, mayonnaise, equal parts. So now we're going to do a teaspoon of garlic paste. And a teaspoon of them small axe peppers. This Detroit, y'all. That's that ghost pepper. Now you can substitute this out with some sriracha. But if you can get this, y'all. And we just simply gonna give that a good mixy mix. And pop it in the fridge when we done, y'all. So let's go and get our bread together. Now this is 2 parts cornstarch, 1 part flour. And you know we gotta rain on it. Gotta hit it with a little salt. A little pepper. And some of your favorite Cajun seasoning. Now, of course, you know I'm using Tony Chachery, y'all. That Tony Chachery. And we're going to give that a quick mix. After we get them well combined, it's time to go ahead and get our zucchini in. See how some of them stuck together, but see all of them ain't stuck together. But you gonna get some, but you gonna try to keep that from happening, so you don't have to do so much work on the other end. But anyway, we gonna get these breaded up, and we gonna get them ready for that fryer, y'all. Now we frying these in some vegetable oil. And oh my goodness, they smell good too, y'all. They smell good. get them all in, you want to get in there. Make sure they ain't sticking together. Swash them around a little bit. That's why I've chose to use the wok, so I have more room to be able to do that. And look at that frying up, y'all. So tasty, so tasty. But anyway, let's get them out, cause these don't cook long. About 2-3 minutes, they ready to come out. So let's go and plate up. Gonna get our sauce right there in the middle. And look at them chips, y'all. I know y'all hear how crispy they are. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Not me. I grabbed some tomatoes out the backyard. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a taste. Oh yeah, y'all. They so light and crispy. So tasty. So tasty. And that sauce. Man, let me try one with this tomato. Fresh tomato, straight out the garden. That sauce and that zucchini. A flavor combination, y'all. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.